I'm excited to see Bessie.
Yeah?
I'm a social worker.
I'm a stunt performer and a voiceover artist. Being a stunt performer, I have a background in gymnastics, cheerleading. I do a lot of falling in my job because of my gymnastics. I can do it safely. People trust me to fall. We've been together for 5 years and married for going on 1.
Nice. Thank you.
We're both stubborn, and I know we're both stubborn.
We don't really fight because we just say our opinions and then we wait to see who's gonna, who cares less.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Cuffy.
Since they're getting ready to buy, they're visiting a coworker who recently purchased her home as well.
I feel like she can't look outside of the area because she's the one that convinced me to move
That
into
is
this
true.
neighborhood.
That is true.
I love the West Side. There is diversity in the neighborhood. That's really important to us.
This will be our first home purchase. We want to start a family, a place we're in now. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment.
We have 3 cats.
We just need more room.
If we could afford a mansion, I would probably take one of those.
I grew up in the south side of Chicago in a lot of apartments. As a kid, a lot of the shows I watched, a lot of people had bigger homes, mansions, if you will.
I love the Chicago style of architecture. I love Chicago bungalows. I love the big bay windows. I like a lot of natural light. It's more cheerful. I don't get as sad in the winter.
I'm thinking more higher windows. So I like being able to see out, but no one being able to see in.
Okay.
So we were thinking like the 3-bed,
Yeah.
at least 2 bathrooms, high ceilings. Like it has to pass the arm test. If I can come in and put my arm up and I can't touch the ceiling, that means I can do a backflip there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I love wood floors. I love the feel. I like to go barefoot a lot, so I like having that feeling.
We need her to have an office, so I don't
So you
have
can
to
close the
hear
door.
right
So you don't have to hear all of our meetings?
the conversations.
You don't enjoy our meetings?
Well, she has on headphones. It's not hearing y'all meetings. I
Oh,
hear
you're just
her.
her.
Yeah.
Being a voiceover artist, if we can have separate spaces, I'm okay with that. As far as the yard goes, you don't want grass.
Nope, don't care about grass.
We gonna concrete it or?
We could have clover, we could have gravel, we could have any kind of creeping plant.
So you're just trying to have a bunch of bees in my
Correct.
backyard? Okay. So
you
me
can't
and
backflip
bees.
anywhere because
Right, because I'm gonna
you're-
get stung. That's what's gonna happen.
it's
Me and
gonna
bees
be
not
very
friends.
The
environmentally
bees
conscious.
are dying, and we need enough plants for them to pollinate.
How much are you looking to spend?
Well, we have talked about that, and I would prefer something in the lower range, probably 250, 275, something like
We
that.
can do definitely like 380, easy.
I disagree.
What do you think you're gonna get in Chicago for $250?
Right.
I grew up where money was always tight, and Brian has tried to convince me that we can afford homes that are a little bit more expensive, and he was a math major. I do trust his numbers, and I'm still very skeptical.
Today, they're in South Austin, an up-and-coming neighborhood on Chicago's west side, to see a place with the Chicago style Jessica wants.
Lots of bedrooms, 7-bedroom, 4-bath,
Wow.
385, 900.
Dang. Okay. Oh, this is right here.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, snap. Wow. Wow. Okay. I can see why 7 fit in there.
I don't love the grass.
It's not that much though.
Yeah, but you could have little flowers here and things like that, and then the bees would have something to eat.
Well, it got big windows though.
It does, up high.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian and Jess. How are you
Hey,
guys?
doing good.
Good to see
Oh.
you. So the classic Chicago architecture, which
Yeah.
that's what you love.
Yes.
The height of the ceiling works for you, Brian,
It
right?
works. That's
Yeah.
Could do backflips all day.
It's great. And the cool thing is we're surrounded by 3 parks.
Okay.
One of the things I preface my clients with when I first meet with them is to talk them off the ledge a lot of times because they've heard horror stories about bidding wars and the prices are way too high and what am I gonna do? So I don't want Jessica to be particularly freaked out about the price. I want her to look and see what you can get for $385 and we can discuss talking them down to a reasonable offer.
I love the wood floors.
They are beautiful. So it's been fully rehabbed.
Okay.
All new wiring, all new plumbing, roofing, everything throughout has been redone.
Oh,
so
wow.
it feels like new.
This light fixture is interesting. Is it an infinity symbol?
I don't know, that's a good question.
It's
you know?
unique for sure.
But remember, we can always change a fixture.
True.
Right,
Very
that's
true.
true.
I like this island. I don't love the dark cabinets though.
I think they're okay. So it's okay.
Give and take here
right,
and there,
it's okay.
Oh, this is very
wow.
small.
This could be like a little studio type office area.
Yeah,
Not a
okay.
bedroom for sure.
No,
it's too small.
Yeah. Oh, I love this shower. And they got the shower head.
It's weird.
Definitely unique. I've never seen one that pours out like that.
It is unique.
The second bedroom on the main floor.
Also pretty small.
Yeah.
Also pretty small. Okay.
What would you guys do with this space?
I have
Kid
no
room.
idea. I don't even know if a kid could fit in here.
Playroom.
Playroom, I like
Okay.
it.
Playroom.
Okay, all right. You're
great.
optimistic.
It's a nice private fenced-in backyard with a garage.
I'd probably tear the grass up anyway and put some flowers out here.
I think it's cool.
Yeah, with 3 parks around here, that's
Yeah.
gonna be great.
Whoa.
Oh, another bathroom down here.
So still no bathtubs yet?
Yes, no bathtubs
Okay.
yet.
It's a small storage space over there.
Got it. Not another small bedroom.
No.
Intentionally for
But
storage.
look how it opens up, eh?
Yeah.
There's
Sitting
like
room,
a second
living room.
living room. I mean, the windows here though, somebody walking can see straight in here too.
Right.
Like, so-
Yeah, we'd have to put curtains or something up here just to block it off. I guess you could set up down here or maybe in this extra bedroom, have your studio set up down
Oh,
here.
that's true.
It looks like it's got a lot of light, but that could just be the pictures.
Okay. The price on it?
Oh, $325.
Ooh.
Yeah, closer to your price range.
Oh man.
All right.
Look at the windows.
Yeah.
They're high up. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Hey, guys.
I'm excited.
Oh, I'm really excited to
at
show you this
this.
home. Austin is a neighborhood in Chicago that's less developed and more up and coming, and that works well for what they want to spend and for their lifestyle.
Look at
Oh,
these
look at the
floors.
ceiling. This is big.
It is big. I like the floors. I like this. There's gonna be a lot of light.
Electric fireplace.
An electric fireplace?
Okay.
I know. You can also change the flame.
Oh.
The colors.
Color.
Heck, I mean, that's something to
Watch it
invite to
turn
look
purple
at.
now.
Okay.
We got a TV mount to go
TV
up.
mounted.
It's a, like if we wanted to have a couch looking at the fireplace, there's like this weird space and this is like coming out.
Yeah, this is called a chase. So what
Okay.
that happens is it houses the plumbing, the electrical, and everything else.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's
You
not
can't-
gonna move.
Can't get rid of that.
Okay.
Okay.
I love this kitchen already.
We got islands.
A lot of cabinet space.
How does the backsplash hit you?
I like it. I like it.
Check this out.
Okay.
Go on onto the side deck.
Oh,
Just a little
look
private
at
little side deck.
this.
Oh.
I don't love all of the grass in the yard, but I could pull it up. I have something that's flowering,
All right.
and you can have the pollinators come in. And
If you move in this house, you can
that's what I
change
will
it.
do that. I mean, I like the windows.
East facing, so you're gonna get a lot of morning light coming
Yeah.
through.
This
Right.
could be your office.
Ooh,
This could
I
be
would,
an
we would
office.
need doors because we would need to be able to close it off.
French doors.
Okay.
And then maybe a wall over here to sort of give it its separation from the rest of it.
Now tell me how much that's going to cost, though.
That's gonna be about 35 to 5 grand.
Okay.
3,500 to 5,000.
Okay.
I'm fine with that.
On that space, right?
So the price for this house is about $50,000 more than what I wanted to spend on the top end. If it's something that we could get a little bit cheaper, that would be better for me. But we'll see.
This is an old Chicago basement. They didn't build basements back then to do
Right.
entertaining. And it's
Right.
storage.
Right,
Okay.
right,
Think of it as
right.
They probably were a lot
storage.
shorter back then.
Probably. Then we have a bathroom here, a full bath.
Oh,
This would be good for a guest bathroom.
nice little kid room.
Yeah.
Best for last is the primary.
I love
This
this
is a
window. I love
closet?
this window in the closet.
It's like a little room.
Yeah. Oh, I like the double sinks. I like this.
Very clean looking. Yep, plenty of storage.
Oh, this is huge.
Oh, yeah.
I don't
That'd be-
love the carpet. That's not my favorite. It looks like it's pretty small, about 950 square feet.
Oh, might be a little cramped.
3 beds, 2 baths. It says basement, but I don't know exactly what that means, if it's got the finished basement or not.
Oh, it look a little small.
It is a little small.
They got a little grass. It look like it's dying, but I mean,
Yeah, it
You
could
know.
make a nice garden. I like the brick.
This is a wonderful raised ranch. There is a bonus room in the basement,
Okay.
but they're not counting the basement. It's a square footage.
Okay.
And as far as the price goes, Jess, this might be right up your alley.
I do like that this is priced a little bit lower, closer to what I was hoping.
I like that it is high, so I don't have to worry about nobody just peeking in or just seeing directly in.
It gives you that nice privacy, which is really good.
Yeah, I like the headspace.
Okay, let's check out the first bedroom here.
Okay.
Oh, it's not gonna get a lot of light because of the building next door.
Has the privacy.
Right, that's true. It is a little small.
But I mean, office, like I said, office or studio-wise, this would fit.
Yeah,
So 3 bedrooms on this floor, 1 bath.
gets a lot of good light.
This bath would service these 3 bedrooms and your guests who come over.
Okay, that's good to
Something
know.
to consider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at the countertop sparkling.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there is plenty of counter space.
Yeah.
I like how large this oven is too.
This room could definitely accommodate a queen bed.
The window's in the corner. That is weird.
And they usually corner the windows like this
Okay.
to give you a little bit more light, a little bit more 3D view.
Sure.
Yeah.
And you still get the privacy with the building
True.
next door.
Right. I can't knock that. Oh, this is a lot of backyard space.
It is. Could set up some plants out here, some raised garden beds.
2.5 car garage.
Yeah.
And this is called a party door.
Party
Oh,
door.
I like that.
I like this little cover, so like if it's raining or something.
Yeah, you've got the cover, you've got the party door. People can hang out down here and relax. Now, this isn't counted as square feet because not a 7-foot high ceiling.
Interesting.
On that note, we can use this as square footage, for an extra room.
I like this tile.
Area here for washer and dryer.
More than a wash and dryer could fit in there.
And then we have a full bath right
Okay.
here.
That's
Oh,
interesting.
okay.
So this is your second full bath.
I'm just glad it's 2. It's more than
Right.
1. Glad it's 2.
A little bonus room here.
So you could, we could have a guest room or you could have your studio.
Oh, that's a decent sized room. Okay. A studio could for sure go in there.
Yeah.
And it's down here, so that is actually like ideal.
Closes
so
it
then one of
off.
the ones upstairs could be an office.
Be in my office.
Right.
Gatos.
So come here. Come on. We chose the traditional.
All in all, really, I love that this house is so big. I'm excited about this though.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's gonna be on the main floor. I'm gonna be upstairs. The cats can be downstairs. Like it's that room, that space is, I love it. I love it. It's gonna be a nice little office.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna be setting up my workspace in the main level.
Hey, Louise.
Hi, little one.
She's like, what are you guys doing?
It has a lot of windows, gets a lot of light. Eventually, we may add doors, French double doors to my office.
Now I'm gonna set up mine in the upstairs bonus room. It's small, so soundproofing would be super easy, super simple. And it is on the other side of the house compared to where Jessica's gonna be. You trying to get some water? You want some water?